Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the West app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. West is a journaling and self-reflection app designed to help users slow down, gain clarity, and document their thoughts through daily prompts. The app blends mindfulness with structured writing by offering guided questions, mood tracking, and inspirational quotes to encourage personal growth. It's tailored for users seeking a simple yet meaningful way to reflect on their day and build a consistent journaling habit. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The interface is clean, distraction-free, and aesthetically calming, which makes it appealing for daily use. Users appreciate the thoughtful prompts and how the app nudges them to dig deeper into emotions or recent experiences. The ability to track patterns in mood and thought over time adds value for those using it as a wellness tool. However, some users find the limited number of free prompts restrictive, with many features locked behind a subscription. There's also no option for syncing across multiple devices or exporting journal entries, which can be a drawback for long-term users who want more control over their data. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, West is worth trying if you're looking for a calming, guided journaling app that encourages regular self-reflection. It stands out for its minimal design and well-crafted prompts, though the premium features and data limitations might not suit everyone. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.